In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the shopping cart page in Squarespace. If you want to adjust how your cart appears and behaves for shoppers, Squarespace makes that pretty straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll first update the cart settings in the back end, and then we'll jump into the site editor to customize the cart icon itself. To begin, go to your Squarespace dashboard and look to the bottom left corner. Click the settings icon to open your site settings. From there, select Selling. This section contains the commerce-related options for your website, including checkout, payments, and of course, cart behavior. Once you're in the selling area, click on Cart. This is where you can control how customers interact with the cart before checkout. In the cart view and display settings, you'll see different options available, including Add to Cart Confirmation and Button and Cart Confirmation. Choose the one that best matches the shopping experience you want to create. If you want a simpler flow, this is a good place to make that decision. Next, look for the option called Skip Cart Page and turn it on. Enabling this means customers can move more quickly through the buying process instead of stopping on a separate cart page first. This can be especially helpful if you want to reduce friction and create a faster checkout experience. After that, close the settings panel. Now that the cart behavior is updated, the next part is editing how the cart appears on your actual website. Click Website to return to the front end view of your site, and then click Edit. This opens the site editor where you can make visual changes to elements that appear on your pages. Once you're in edit mode, click the cart icon on your site, then click the edit icon associated with it. This will open the design options for that cart element, allowing you to customize how it looks. If you want to make a visual change, click Style. From there, you can select a new cart icon if you'd like. This is a simple way to better match the cart with your site's branding or overall design style. As you make these changes, it's a good idea to preview the site from a visitor's perspective so you can see how the cart functions and how noticeable the icon is in your header or navigation area. Small design changes can make a big difference in usability. And that's how to edit the shopping cart page in Squarespace, including both the cart settings and the cart icon style.